So this is just a quick video showing how I gain access into vehicles if you've locked keys inside or you've lost all your keys. So this is non-destructive and doesn't cause any damage at all to your vehicle. Today's car is a 2016 Infiniti Q30. So that's just showing that the door is actually locked. Pick's going inside, and then the pick is used to decode the lock, and then eventually once it's gone through the sequence a few times, the lock will be decoded and I will be able to access the car.